If you're choosing between the Segway Navimow i105e and Dreame A1, this isn't just robot mower versus robot mower. It's value and simplicity versus premium autonomous mowing. So, which one actually wins? Let's break it down. The Segway Navimow i105e is one of the best value wire-free robot mowers right now. It uses RTK GPS with Vision Fence AI cameras to navigate your lawn without perimeter wires, and reviewers consistently praise how easy it is to set up. It's especially good for suburban lawns with relatively open sky visibility. The app is polished, navigation is systematic, and the mower cuts in clean parallel lines instead of random bouncing. But here's the catch. Because it relies heavily on satellite positioning, performance can become inconsistent under dense trees or difficult GPS conditions. Some users also report occasional docking and edge navigation quirks. The Dreame A1 takes a different approach. Instead of RTK GPS, it relies primarily on 3D LiDAR navigation, similar to high-end robot vacuums. That gives it a major advantage in shaded yards and environments where GPS signals are weak. It also has some of the best obstacle avoidance and lawn striping in the category, producing those professional-looking mowing lines many people want. The downside is price and reliability on rough terrain. Some reviewers noted issues with sand, twigs, and wheel traction, especially in more difficult lawns. So which robot lawnmower wins? Choose the Segway Navimow i105e if you want the best value, easy setup, and reliable mowing for smaller or simpler lawns. Choose the Dreame A1 if you want better autonomous navigation, stronger obstacle handling, and premium lawn striping, especially in yards with trees. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.